Hello, today we're going to be playing Dizzy Izzy. And if any of your viewers don't know what that is, it's where two players or more spin around in a fast circle, and then for like a long time, maybe even a minute, we stop moving and walk straight. At least our attempt. And we have to like back up the camera because like so they can see all the, so let's just, no. Make it longer. You know. Dude, it's gonna fall. Maybe, yeah. Okay, that shows more. I'm gonna just put that somewhere. Okay, now we're Harley. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Harley 1289, and then Trixie.
And this is actually Harley.
Oh, let me see. Trixie is at my house. Harley, go. Harley, go.
No,
Oh.
Harley, quick. Harley, go see Daddy. Good boy. Go see Daddy.
Okay, so we're gonna start in the beginning.
Ready? And spin.
Oh, I'm really close to something. Why? I'm really close to you. All I see is a big blue blob.
No, it's Harley's in here. Is it?
I don't know. I can't stop. I can't see. Everything looks so Barbie in here. So it's all. See how dangerous this easy is? I can't even see the camera.
I can't, but I can't see me.
Wow. We're like big. Oh my gosh. You almost like made me fall.
I can't get up.
Don't make me fall.
You're not going fast. I'm going super fast.
It feels like it. It feels like it's going super fast.
You're gonna look.
Oh my gosh. Getting faster.
Wow. Getting even more tense.
I can't even see. I just see
I'm going in circles. You're gonna look.
I can't. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like.
Oh, it's a roof.
Oh my gosh, I can't get up. Ah, I'm moving, I feel it. I feel it. Okay.
I know I can't get up, but I'm down either.
And you feel it, and you close your eyes and feel like you're really spinning. Your head is just jumping up.
No! Here we go.
No, I just started spinning.
Hurry up, the viewers want to see.
Okay.
You ready?
No, not yet. Let me get
Hurry up. Set.
It's easy.
Go. Why is the fan spinning?
If you close your eyes, you feel like the earth is tilting on you. I'm falling.
Whoa.
I'm falling. I'm falling into the hole. Whoa. This game really messes with your head. It won't. Ow. If you sit down for like 2 seconds, you feel like, whoa. Oh,
I think we're
done.
Crawl like a baby. That is